Younger dancehall fans feeling this DJ intensely. Right or wrong?
The year I'm calling if you're there, me have some problem with me.
Lots happening in a year.
Name tells it all, man. Intence. Now I have to say 40 more, 39 good.
Young DJ making a name with Go Hard.
No breaks, no care.
And back with more.
You can leave if you want to leave. She a man cry, me beg them fear me out. Tears them dry, no make sense, help me now.
It song, pan, it song, pan, it song.
A string of singles getting plays. And some flack from another DJ after doubts raised online about musicians buying views.
Me a focus on my career, is it? Me a build me. Right now I know time for clash. And first thing, I never clash. I no competition me use on both sides. So me not have to stay this. And the next thing, why me I go there up here so and go clash the artist with the down here so? That no spell no sense. It come like a boss me not a boss a man, you see it? If some man want boss, they left the bus stop there and find a taxi stand, you know? Find down a red plate, they have a pro box there. Wagon them for find down, you see it? Yeah, cause wagon is them. Right there so. Me now go see somebody I do good and bad mind him more for uplift him them say yeah, go and do it. You know? Yeah, but maybe true, they want me say, well everybody I say and that me now say. Yes right. You not take drought man. Is it? Now I mean that.
I say Frank White, she got the links.
I just be myself and I that I work. Plain truth. When I answer that, mostly I go and know. Yes right. All who not scam, say them a scammer right now, is it? Intence this, antisocial. So if you see me move certain, nobody feel like say I hype and I just me this morning from me I go to school. So I stay antisocial, just be by myself.
And not always listening to good advice. But that's changed.
Cause all the people who say, we no listen, we did that and around the place. I will say we become of them, we have to call name.
And you figured that that could have happened to you too?
Can happen to anybody. A life, you know. No man don't know what tomorrow bring. Yeah.
Without this music thing that's happened for you right now, you know, you became a DJ. What would have happened to you, you think? What direction do you think your life would have taken?
That's one know. Everyone thought that. I tell you the truth, you know. Just left that for the unknown. Or who know already. Maybe more than dead, maybe more than there prison jail. Cause the badness before music, is right?
The year I'm calling if you're there, me have some problem with me.
Cash coming in after Go Hard, at least until COVID-19.
Cause me I tell you every weekend before that corona thing come in place, every weekend me have 2 shows. And you know stage show money come down. Worse when you're there. I never don't call it that topic. Right that's so life really changed. My family them, my friend them. Can give my manager a strength, said we.
So shows in limbo, but what else?
I mean this, me no normally go out, said we so. Me used to this, the social distance, me used to this, is it? I'm going to have show more than jump out then. I have to go studio, is it? I play a rhythm, meds, build song, cause I tell you when I stop work, you know, every day I write 3-4 songs, you know. Building my family them, cause my little son said we to come, I miss out. I don't even say I miss out a lot, but through the music thing, I'm busy more time. And them time just take the opportunity and spend time with him, you know.
How old is he?
2. Yeah, if I make a girl mad yet, man. And that me a talk when me tell you about girls.
The sound and look of present-day dancehall with its crowd and critics. Like it's antisocial, it's not going anywhere, it's not leaving Jamaica, it's just for a local audience. They're going to look at you and say, look at him, he looks like he bleaches.
I remember me a big people, me a adult, you see it. And the young youth, them have parents too, you see it. Yeah, me not go tell no juvenile for bleach and not. Me just sing about my lifestyle, you know, and what me do. So if a juvenile want bleach, having parents them for see to it that you know go that we wrote there, you know. This is the Go Hard song, a song that just for the recognition inside. I'm get that, so I not have to even go back the road there again, you know. As I'm telling a teacher, I teach, you know, see? Tell about the borders, the zinc fence, poverty, sufferation, build intents, them type of sitting there right now. It's right.
Talk about the cold flow within sector. Man, gas up all cold stove the king catch.
It's this younger generation of DJs in Jamaica putting out music that the world wants to consume.
Well, when I say, you know, me I get whole heap of show abroad said way, and I regular them tag me up on Instagram everywhere. Shani B, the whole of them top man they are foreign way. We control the radio station, them major radio station to text me for drops, dub and them thing. Is it? So if it never that work, them would contact me.
But back to that thing I just asked you about, and just your appearance, your style, the tattoos, do you bleach? Let me just ask you that.
I slow the bleaching thing, our boss.
Do you or don't you?
I slow the bleaching argument, my G.
Is it more about the image than about the talent, than about the actual music?
A package, you can't just talented and an image and expect it for work. You know?
Focus from my dreams, stay closer to me go.
Something working, and for each new song, an intense video. Image very much in the picture.